want to start your own business but don't know how? Yes, I'm Kavita. I'm working for Women Empowerment Projects. I'm going to explain you the 12 different business ideas especially for women. Startup and entrepreneurship. A startup is a new and emerging business typically in the stages of operations. Entrepreneurs are often driven by a desire to create something new and innovative, and they often have clear business visions and goals. Number one business in today's world is buy products in bulk and sell them in online. When you're starting your first home business, don't invest more money. Just choose your business ideas, analyze and decide carefully. Find products that consumers already want to buy, then purchase them by negotiating a deal with a wholesaler. After that, create an online store to promote your catalog and sell to customers. For examples, many of them are doing online clothing, getting beauty products in bulk and selling them in online, and kitchen essentials, artificial jewelries, and hair and nail accessories, online toys, groceries, stationeries, and pet accessories. Number two, the trending businesses sell homemade products. If you are a maker or know someone who is doing that, consider turning that hobby into the business by selling your own creations. Items crafted in your home, studio, workshops, or kitchen can become well known products with the right branding and marketing. For examples, organic homemade soaps, decorative items, handcraft jewelry, homemade candles, hair oils and hair products, homemade masalas, homemade pickles, jams, essential oils, home decor items, home indoor plants, etc. Number three, the trending business is home tuition or online tutoring. If you have a teachable skill, why not monetize and share that knowledge either in persons or via an online course? You can help out the students by tutoring in your home or at their home or rented common space. You can also tutor online via a video service such as Zoom or Google Meet. As you are getting started, you may want to test marketing different tutoring specialities to see what gets the best response. Home tutoring is another example of very simple business that you can start. But any simple business you are going to much successful, you want to plan carefully. If you want to become a successful entrepreneur, you should write up your business plan including what your specialization in, who is your target market, what will be your marketing message and how you will reach your audience. Plan it carefully. Number 4 is become a event planner. The virtual events market is expected to grow higher and higher each year until the future. All those new events need coordinating and promotion, which is an opportunity for your remote business. If you have an event management skill or experience, you might be able to build a home business as virtual events planner. If you have good communication and good in comparing, you can try it. Find any types of events you organize conferences, meetings, webinars, or personal parties, birthday parties, New Year events, professional workshops, industry specific shows, etc. So you can be an event planner or event manager. Number 5 is start a home daycare. A reliable daycare is a highly demanded business idea. If you're good in children, see how many daycares exist in your area, and if you think there is a demand, consider opening one for your local community. Nowadays, both father and mother working in the family, so the daycare market is currently valued more than 20,000 to 50,000 according to the demand. Minimal startup cost required to make the necessary alteration to your home and acquire the right license to open a daycare. You will need to research childcare licenses requirements if it is necessary, and also it is safer to get required health and safety training too. Number 6 is home bakery. Yes, home baking business is an approachable business idea in that it involves doing what you are probably doing a lot and many way if you love to bake. You probably have all the equipments and expertise you need to get started. Plan your bakery menu. You can start fun part. Many home-based bakeries makes cookies, breads, muffins, cupcakes or cakes on daily basis. Brownies especially, I love it. As your own boss, you can choose to make whatever you like the best and choose not to make anything that you don't enjoy. Auguste Escoffer, School of Culinary Arts Baking and Pastry student Katie Slough makes elegantly biscotti in her home-based bakery and she enjoys it a lot. Number 7 is teach any kinds of arts and culture like music, yoga, Bharatanatyam, keyboard or anything. After school activities, many of the children is searching for skill-oriented programs. There is a big market for teaching music, art, yoga and Bharatanatyam and many more things. And also your talent is your specialty. Number 8, the home trending businesses. Become an art and craft teacher. Yes, I'm very passionate about art because I'm the artist. The another great home teaching is a gig is art lessons. As I'm the artist who is teaching for the children after their school, weekly or weekend classes, not just kids but adults too interested in art lessons. If you want to become an art and craft teacher, you don't have to be highly skilled artist to give your art lessons if you're teaching in the elementary level. If you have interest, creativity and self-expression, it is more than enough to start your business as an art and craft teacher. Number 9 trending home businesses personal fitness training, sports coach, nutrition coach, and diet plan preparation. If you are passionate about working out your sports, fitness, weight loss, then this could be the great business opportunity for you. After COVID, many of the people wants to be healthy and fitness. If you are interested in fitness, you can start this business. If you want to get successful in this field like fitness training, sports, nutrition and diet plan, for this you need to create more successful stories and time to create your website and learn how to do digital marketing. Number 10 top trending home businesses bridal makeup artist, sari draping and mehendi business. Become a makeup artist allows you to make an entry into the world of fashion. Once you become a popular makeup artist, money flow like on its own. Yes, everyone is aware of self grooming and even the children in this generation is aware of makeup. Many bridal courses are available in the industry. If you have the interest, you can learn and gain the knowledge. And of course, many of the makeup artists is all self-taught and they are all-rounder in the industry. If you know the sari draping skill, hairstyling and mehendi, you can earn in this. Number 11 top home business ideas is sewing and tailoring business. Point to be noted that there is a highly demand in the market which we need some creativity, self-expression and skills in stitching and tailoring. With the skills of making designer blouse, salwars, designer kameez and designer gowns, we can earn 50,000 to 1 lakh if you have the boutique per month. Number 12 is start your YouTube channel. Yes, I'm the YouTuber, also I'm running my channel and there is no doubt that YouTube is a powerful platform for business of all the sizes. YouTube video content is growing in popularity as a source of entertainment and way to make money. According to the recent estimates, YouTube channels make an average about $18 per thousand ad views. Starting a YouTube business can be the great way for small business owners to promote their businesses and grow their customer base. It can also be the great way to connect with the customers and share personal life moments. You can also be a video content creator, vlogger, video editor, social media influencer, gamer, reviewer, cooking show, travel show, motivation speaker, and your lifestyle as a YouTuber. And there is a lot of tutorials in the YouTube. You can start your own YouTube channel. And that's all about the 12 top home business ideas for women. You can start from your own space. You can start a small business for a woman in your comfort home zone, I assure you. Before starting your home business ideas, you should follow those steps. What are the steps in the sense? First, choose your business ideas. Number 2 is analyze the competition. Number 3, decide how you will be the unique. Number 4, write your business plans. Number 5 is lining up your financing. Number 6, name and register your business. Number 7, plan your marketing. Number 8, start making sales. I hope this video will be helpful for you to start up and successful entrepreneurs. Thank you.